What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. And for today, we are going to talk about NinjaTrader. NinjaTrader is a leading provider of award-winning futures trading platforms and brokerage services. With low commissions, no deposit minimums, and a robust ecosystem of tools and resources, NinjaTrader empowers traders of all experience levels to access the futures markets. Now, let's talk about some of its key features. Futures trading charts. NinjaTrader provides free, customizable futures trading charts that can be accessed from any device, empowering traders to create and analyze market data with ease. The charting tools offer a wide range of styles, time frames, and technical indicators, allowing you to expand your analysis capabilities and gain deeper insights into market movements. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader, these free charting features can help you identify potential trading opportunities and make more informed decisions. By leveraging the advanced charting capabilities of NinjaTrader, you can develop a comprehensive understanding of market trends, patterns, and key support and resistance levels, ultimately enhancing your trading strategy and performance. Futures Trading Simulator. NinjaTrader's free futures trading simulator, equipped with live streaming market data, provides an invaluable opportunity for traders to practice and test their strategies in a risk-free environment. This simulation tool is beneficial for both new traders looking to gain experience and seasoned professionals exploring new trading concepts. By validating strategies, testing technical analysis, and refining your approach in a simulated setting, you can build confidence and hone your skills without risking real capital. The trading simulator allows you to explore different market conditions, experiment with various techniques, and identify areas for improvement, all while preparing for successful live trading. Customizable Trading Platform. NinjaTrader's trading platform offers unparalleled customization capabilities, empowering traders to tailor their trading experience to their unique needs and preferences. The platform's extensive ecosystem features thousands of third-party indicators, apps, and automated strategies, enabling you to fine-tune your technical analysis, creating a personalized trading setup, and expand your trading opportunities. Moreover, the platform's flexible development environment allows you to build your own custom indicators, strategies, and applications, further enhancing your trading capabilities. By leveraging the customization options in NinjaTrader, you can optimize your workflow, streamline your decision-making process, and gain a competitive edge in the markets. Order flow trading. NinjaTrader provides a suite of tools and features that enable traders to analyze real-time order flow data, including time and sales, level 2, and hot lists. By monitoring and interpreting this order flow information, you can gain deeper insights into market dynamics and make more informed trading decisions. Understanding the underlying order flow can help you identify potential support and resistance levels, spot emerging trends, and recognize market sentiment shifts. This order flow analysis can be a valuable complement to your technical analysis, allowing you to develop a more comprehensive understanding of market behavior and capitalize on trading opportunities. Multiple market data and brokerage options. NinjaTrader's platform supports access to a diverse range of market data sources and brokerage options, empowering traders to explore and trade the world's leading markets. This flexibility enables you to choose the market data and brokerage services that best suit your trading needs, expanding your trading horizons and opportunities. Whether you prefer to trade futures, options, or other asset classes, NinjaTrader's extensive market access and brokerage integrations provide you with the tools and resources to achieve your trading goals. By leveraging this broad range of market data and brokerage choices, you can diversify your trading portfolio, mitigate risks, and capitalize on a wider array of market opportunities. Now, let's talk about some potential drawbacks. NinjaTrader's high withdrawal fees, with $40 for international wire transfers and $30 for domestic wire transfers, can be a significant drawback for traders. These fees can substantially impact trading profits, especially for those who need to access their funds frequently. High withdrawal costs make it more challenging to manage trading capital effectively and can discourage traders from withdrawing funds when needed, potentially leading to suboptimal capital allocation decisions. The NinjaTrader platform offers a wide range of advanced features and customization options, which can create a steep learning curve for beginners. New traders may find it overwhelming to navigate the platform's extensive capabilities, making it difficult to get started and fully leverage the available tools. This learning curve can be a barrier to entry for some traders, potentially discouraging them from using the platform or limiting their ability to optimize their trading strategies in the early stages of their trading journey. NinjaTrader primarily focuses on futures, forex, and options trading and does not offer the ability to trade other asset classes like stocks directly. This can be a drawback for traders who prefer a more diversified trading experience or who want to explore a wider range of financial instruments. By limiting its scope to derivatives trading, NinjaTrader may not appeal to traders who seek a more comprehensive trading platform that supports the broader range of asset classes and trading opportunities. Overall, NinjaTrader offers a powerful and customizable trading platform with a range of features designed to help traders succeed in the futures markets. With free charting tools, a risk-free trading simulator, and a vast ecosystem of third-party add-ons, NinjaTrader provides traders with the resources they need to develop and refine their trading strategies. However, the platform's high withdrawal fees, steep learning curve for beginners, and focus on derivatives trading may be a drawback for some users. Ultimately, whether NinjaTrader is the right choice for you will depend on your trading experience, goals, and preferences. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.